السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Grade 5 Microbiology and Molecular Biology. We will continue our lectures on the topic bioinformatics. This is the lecture number 4, and the topic of the today lecture, inshallah, we will be talking about retrieving gene sequence from NCBI. As you see here in the screen, we are going to retrieve or obtain the sequence of our target gene. The gene will be GNA1, and this is the glucosamine 6-phosphate and acetyl transferase, and it is abbreviated as GNA1. We are going to retrieve its partial mRNA from NCPI. So we will go to NCPI to retrieve the gene which is GNA1, and GNA1 stands for glucosamine 6-phosphate and acetyl transferase. It is a partial mRNA which is found in NCPI as partial mRNA. It is not DNA, and the microorganism we are going to retrieve from which uh, is the Saccharomyces cerevisiae, strain S288C or S288C. Here is the accession number. We will see what we mean by accession number. I think the last lecture I explained to you what we mean by accession number. So already I talked about accession number. So the accession number for this gene is NM underscore 0011799949. And let us see how we can retrieve this gene from NCBI. First, I should copy the accession number and then go to Google and open the main page of NCBI. So here, this is the National Center for Biotechnology Information. I will click on the home, and as you see here, all database. So we are going to retrieve nucleotide of what? Here just I will paste the accession number which I copied just now. I copied. Sorry, should go back. So here I need to retrieve nucleotide. So I will go to select nucleotide here as you see, and then click on search. So now as you see here in this new open page or new open window, it is Saccharomyces cerevisiae S288C, glucosamine 6-phosphate and acetyl transferase, which is GNA1, abbreviated as GNA1, and it is partial mRNA. So we need to retrieve this sequence. As I said last time, here there is some description. For example, which locus, and as we know that locus is the location of the gene within the genome. So the locus and the size of the gene. So the size of the gene is approximately 480 base pairs, and as I said, it is partial mRNA. So it is mRNA, and the sequence is linear. So the sequence is linear, and the microorganism is Saccharomyces cerevisiae S288C, and the gene coding for glucosamine 6-phosphate and acetyl transferase. The abbreviation is GNA1. As I said, partial mRNA, and the accession number. This is the accession number which we copied here, because already I prepared for you before. So this is the extension number of the gene, of our target gene. If we scroll down, if we go down, then we'll see, for example, which basis stand for what. Here, for example, here some reference authors that they published or work on this gene, and journal also. Okay, then we will scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, then till we will find, for example, the gene. So it is here, as I said, it is mRNA, partial mRNA. So it is the gene. Here is the gene. If I click on the gene, and here CDS, which is coding sequence. So let us check, click on gene and see. So here, this is the sequence of the gene, but we are going, as I said, we need to retrieve mRNA. So we'll go back. Sorry, nucleotide. I will click again. We'll go down. So let us click on CDS coding sequence to see. So here is the coding sequence, same. Why it is going outside? Let us scroll down till we will find the mRNA sequencing, the mRNA sequence. So when we scroll down, so here it is the mRNA sequence of the gene. Okay. So I need to copy this sequence. How I should copy this sequence? I will go to send to. I will click here, and then I will choose file. Okay. So I will choose faster format, and then I will choose create, and then directly it will go and it will be saved in download. So when I will go to download here, I will click, and I will click on the sequence. So the page is open now. Here, this is the sequence which I just retrieved from the NCBI. As you see here, this for Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and this is the name of the gene. Okay, so here, this is the steps of how to retrieve gene sequence from NCBI. This is the part of this lecture, lecture number 4. There's another part. I will make a recording, and then we will send it along with this part. Okay. If there is any question, you can ask me.